Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Today, we're taking a look at McDonald's Corporation, ticker symbol MCD. This is a large cap company with a market cap of $182 billion, well known all around the world as one of the most efficient and consistent places to eat, although their nutritional statistics might leave something to be desired. Regardless, as an investor, this company appears to be a long-term buy and hold that has been very successful over the years. And here we are on the annual chart for McDonald's. You see it is well below all the major moving averages. In fact, it had this precipitous fall lately that has just really put it below any reasonable recent evaluation of share price. But as you can see, it does look like we have a couple of up days. Perhaps if we have another update today, it will signal a reversal in direction. And if we look down at the RSI, you'll see it is oversold and is turning bullish again. Both stochastics are also oversold and are cruising up. We have a moderate uptick in trading volume with mostly red days. And the red days have begun to decline and have been replaced by green selling days. The MACD appears to have formed a trough and it's heading higher, and the MACD line and the signal line are starting to converge once again. And here we are with McDonald's fundamentals, just a general brief overview, of course, not a deep dive. But here we have a very low short interest, less than 1%, and solid institutional ownership at 66%. Now, we're not shown the debt to equity ratio as a comparison to other restaurant companies, so we can't get a comparison, but I will say that these numbers do not look shocking. And if we move on to valuation, the PE is 23.01, which is still a bit high for the industry. That is greater than 69% of other restaurants. And McDonald's has always commanded a premium because of its consistency and excellent financials. So getting a lower price valuation here in the PE ratio is going to be difficult, and you really have to be patient. However, it does look like this is one of those times with a significant pullback that you've seen on the chart. We move over to the gross margin. It is high, as you'd expect, 57.45%. That is good for a restaurant, and that it beats out 62% of others in the industry. However, the operating margin is amazing. Operating margin of 45.4% beats out 99% of its peers. That is truly impressive. And this is what makes McDonald's so strong as an investment when you have operating margins that high. It is well known to be an extremely efficient kitchen. And I'll also point out here the net profit margin of 33% is similarly amazing, particularly for a restaurant. And as we know, restaurants tend to function on much smaller operating and net margins. In any case, we're not given the return on equity, so we cannot compare, but I will look at the return on invested capital here of 17%. That is solid. The growth rate is average, and the dividend is certainly fair, 2.69%, more than twice the market average. The payout ratio of 54% is quite sustainable, so this dividend could certainly grow. And McDonald's has a long history of raising their dividends over time. So that's a look at McDonald's, but please let me know what you think of the company in the comments below. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make these videos for education, information, and discussion. But if you got something out of it, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos post. Or if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your investments.